So yes, it's time for a bag review, and for once it's not concerning a Longchamp bag, no, it's concerning a Coach bag that just appeared on the European website. Guys, if you're looking at me from North America, I apologize, I don't have access to the American Coach website, so all the information I'm going to say in this video are from the European website. Hi, but before I introduce myself, welcome to my channel. I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector, fashion lover, and above all, Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here and you love bag, please don't hesitate to subscribe. And if you are a subby who returns to my video, thanks a lot for your support, guys. Love you. So yes, as I just said, this bag appeared on the European Coach website, and I have to say the general aspect was so beautiful. I think this bag deserved a video. I placed myself like this. Let's have a peek of the bag, and I'm talking about the new Coach bucket bag, Hanna. This bag is available in two ways. Let me explain. We have a mix of canvas and leather, this one, and we have the bag in its full leather version, this one. And for the leather, we have three colorways. The first color is called in French vapeur, steam. It's a grayish light beige. It looks like turtle dove, but maybe a bit lighter. We have a brown version and we have a black version. Sorry, I will say dark, but it's black. And the canvas version, the canvas is like a light paper color, and the handle and the top of the bag, as well as the strap, are in full leather, in dark leather, dark brown color. I love both combination. I am not used to have a bag with canvas and leather, but I have to say this mix of color match very well and it works. The gold hardware also gives a touch of elegance. I have to say it's really cute. I also love the logo. It is light. I do think if they have done the logo in black or in brown, I think the bag will lose a bit of chic and elegant, but like this, it's perfection, seriously. So on the general design aspect, I give a very good note to it. Concerning the leather version, you just have a piece of metal concerning the logo with Coach written on it, and this is really nice. It's also very elegant like this. Coach, once again, is smart, and the three colorway enable you to also choose the hardware, because the steam color and the brown color got the silver hardware, if you are a silver hardware lover, and the black one comes with a gold hardware. Maybe they will do a black with silver hardware, but just with three colors, the way you can choose also the hardware is a nice option. I also like the little tag attached to the handle. It gives a nice touch. I love how the handles are. I love how they are stitched to the bag. It's really nice. The hook concerning the additional strap, because yes, it's a bucket bag that you carry top handle, but they also had a strap to carry it on your shoulder or crossbody, and where the hook are placed it's a brilliant idea, because I mean, when you attach the strap, it do not bother you to open and use the handle and so on. Concerning the inside of the bag, it's in leather, and this is nice. It's always nice to have a leather interior. You just have a one zip flat pocket, and to open and close the bag, it's a magnet. So in fact, the only inconvenience of this bag, if this bag should have a one inconvenience concerning my point of view, would be this magnet. If the magnet is strong, it's okay because the bag is firmly secured. If the magnet is not so strong, maybe when you use your bag, it opens and so on. But I do think Coach has good quality standard. I'm sure the magnet is okay, but it's just to share with you my full point of view. Concerning the size of the bag, it's a nice size. It's okay. It's not too big. It's not too small. And this is great because when you carry it crossbody, it's not good to have a big bucket bag. So these dimensions are great. Just to compare with another top handle bag, this is my Roseau from Longchamp, the small size, and the Hanna bag from the base is smaller. For example, it arrived here. This is a 22 centimeter, and apparently the Hanna bag is 18 something, so like this. The height of the Hanna is taller, and the wide here, the Hanna is slightly bigger. So they are nearly same dimension. This one is a rectangular basis. The Hanna one is a bucket bag, so this is the reason. But just to show you everything, the Hanna bag looks like more like the Hermès Picotin, but the price is really more interesting. It retails on the European website for 319 euro. In fact, since it is in the outlet section of Coach, they write that the first price is 465. I will write, no worry if I made a mistake. And since it is in the outlet section, it retails only for 390 euro. But at the moment on the European website, especially the French website, you can have the bag with a reduction of 30%. So this bag, either in the Canada, either in the leather version, you can have it for 220 euro something. It's an amount, of course, guys, but for a full leather version, I do think it's not fair to have the same price for a Canada bag, but this is the strategy of Coach. For me, it's not logical, but Coach, it is a strategy, as I just say, so they do like they want. But I do think for this price, maybe choose the leather version. It's really a nice price. I do think this type of bag is a nice bag for every day and several occasions. You can place your essential, and I do think that top handle bags are always super elegant, but they are, I'm talking about the Hanna bag or even the Roseau, just to compare. Since they have a strap and you can wear it on your shoulder, they are also nice option for an everyday use, and they are really practical. So, guys, tell me what you are thinking about this bag. I don't know, to be honest, if I will buy it, but I was super happy to see this type of bag because here in France, I'm talking most of the time, we have just the big tote bag of Coach, and I am happy to see they are smaller design, and they have bucket bag with 2 handles because most of the time they propose bucket bag with just 1 handle. So it's nice to see this design. I really appreciate it. I repeat, I think the price is correct. So yes, I have to say I am tempted because I am a top handle bag person. Share with me what you are thinking about it. Do you plan to buy it or you hate this type of bag? Yes, let's have a discussion about it. Thanks for watching this video. We keep in touch, more videos are coming. Have a great day and take care. Bye bye.